From increasing human growth hormone levels to boosting testosterone levels and so much more, today's video focuses on the little-known benefits of doing push-ups consistently. Number 1, it helps build stronger bones. Just like your muscles, your bones also need strength and they need weight put on them to get stronger. This is because the more weight you put on them and the more you train them, the harder, stronger, and denser they get. The weight you put on your bones by doing push-ups forces them to produce bone cells or bone mass, which leads to stronger bones, and strong bones are important in preventing breakage and other degenerative bone diseases like osteoporosis in old age. Number 2, it works several muscles. Doing exercises like push-ups that work several muscles at the same time are great for building muscle strength very quickly. Push-ups make use of every major muscle group in your body when it is done correctly. It works your arms, which lift you, your chest, which supports your arms. It engages your core and back to help you remain upright and stable, and also engages your legs, which help to keep you straight, upright, and stable. Number 3, it is a great cardio exercise. As mentioned, push-ups make use of several muscles, and those muscles will need blood and oxygen to keep working properly. Therefore, doing push-ups help to engage your heart at working hard to pump oxygenated blood throughout your body to keep all the muscles involved going. This helps to increase the performance of your heart and makes it healthier, thus helping to lower your blood pressure, resting heart rate, and reduce your risk of getting arterial diseases, heart disease, and heart attacks. Number 4, it strengthens your back and prevents injuries. Getting your back stretched is one of the many advantages of doing push-ups, and this is good because it helps to train your back muscles to be stronger. It increases your flexibility and lowers your risk of getting future injuries due to a tight back. Push-ups also give you a stronger core, and having a strong back and a strong core help to improve your posture, which will in turn prevent you from getting back issues in the future. Number 5, it helps with the production of human growth hormone. The human growth hormone, also fondly called HGH, helps to support cell growth in a healthy body. It is also very important for building muscle mass, and when your body produces less HGH, it makes it harder to put on lean muscle mass. Now, as you age, your body experiences a decline in the production of HGH, and this is where doing regular push-ups come in handy, as it helps to boost HGH production and thus contributes to muscle building, cell growth, and an overall healthier body. Number 6, it significantly boosts your testosterone production. Just like HGH, testosterone production also declines with age. And because men need testosterone for several important reasons, such as building muscle mass, production of hormones, hair growth, sex drive, physical performance, and other bodily functions, it is important to be very intentional about keeping your levels up. Consistently performing push-ups can go a long way to naturally boosting your body's production of testosterone. To begin doing push-ups regularly, start small with 5 to 10 push-ups a day and increase this number as your strength grows. Remember, as with all exercises, always challenge yourself to keep getting those results. If you got value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest health facts every single week.